Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Big JT and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this blinking text effect in Davinci Resolve Fusion. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to locate where I want my text to be. And for this particular video, it's going to be right here. Now I've already gone in and I've built my Fusion clip and I've imported it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn everything off. I'm gonna hold down the shift and click here so that I can mute those videos. Then I'm gonna turn this particular video track layer on, move my playhead over the clip, the Fusion clip. We're gonna go into Fusion. Okay, so now, as you can see here, I've already built the background for where my text is actually going to be. I have another video where I actually show how to place that text in using Davinci Resolve Fusion. So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description if you want to go and check that out. I already have a text here where I have the actual font and the size set up, and it's going to appear over this overlay right here. So we're just going to go ahead and connect that to the merge node here. Go ahead and select your text, go into your shading mode, then every 8 frames. So we're going to animate the appearance of this, okay? So we'll go ahead and go to the very beginning. So we have it where it's animated. We'll click here to animate. Then we're going to come over 8 frames and we'll make that solid. And then we'll come over another 8 frames and we'll change that to outline. We'll come over to another 8 frames. It'll be solid. And then we'll come here to the end. We'll change the outline. So now I have my loop on so that I can just double check it to make sure that I have my sequence correct. And there you go. You have your blinking text. So now we'll come out and let's go to the beginning and let's just run a quick play. I'm going to hold down my shift and click here on the video track so we can get them to play again. And it'll come in right here and we've got our blinking text there. And so that's it, guys. Hopefully this video has brought some added value to you and your content creation. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Go ahead and hit the like button. Drop me a comment. Tag us in a video where you're using this technique to add some blinking text to your video.